Hey guys, welcome to Tots and Moms. I'm Kavitha, and in today's video I'll show you how to make butter peas puree, a super nutritious, healthy and so easily doable recipe this is. Especially for busy parents, it's not easy to take care of a baby and make something over the top which takes a lot of time. So these sort of easy recipes I have shared a lot on my channel. Do check them. Now butter is a healthy fat and peas are rich in protein, almost equal to almonds, and they are high in fiber, they are rich in vitamin C. So it's good to introduce them all healthy fruits, vegetables and pulses in the first year itself. Now if you think that it can be gassy for your baby and you want to avoid it, I would suggest don't do that. Potato, peas and many other vegetables, people assume that it can cause cold, gas or certain things and avoid it. Please do not. Every vegetable and fruit comes with its own health benefits, so it must be introduced to your baby as early as possible. Now without much ado, let's dive right in and see how to make this butter peas puree. Let's see the ingredients to make this butter peas puree at first. You can take a snapshot. In a white pan, I'm taking fresh green peas, about 100 grams. I'm pouring in a little bit of water, just enough to cook these green peas. We'll cover it and cook till soft. As you can see, this may take about 8 to 10 minutes. Ensure on medium flame you cook this. So here are our cooked soft peas. Now we'll transfer all these peas to a blender jar. Ensure not to take too much of water to blend. Just few spoons of water. You can blend it or even mash it with a spoon. And ensure to blend it coarse, not too soft, because textures are needed for a child to start learning how to eat and enjoy multiple varieties. Now in a wide pan, before switching on the flame, I'm adding this puree plus butter plus cumin powder. Switch on the flame and keep mixing it. We'll only saute it here for about a minute or two. This is already cooked because we want the butter to enhance the flavor a bit and even the taste. So we'll mix it and heat it for a while, and butter peas puree is all ready to be served. This is something very creamy and nice that your baby will for surely love. Do let me know how your baby liked it, and please tag me on the recipe in case you share it on your Instagram or Facebook page, and I would love to see that. And there are plenty of these sort of recipes on our channel, on our blog totsandmoms.com. Do check them. Link would be in the description box, and I'll see you soon in yet another video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.